Six, mathematics. Percentage discounts. Stores post the word sale when they have discounted items up for grabs. Let's find out what this means. How do we find the discounted value of items? Discount is the amount reduced in the original price of the item to make it more affordable. Discounts often come in the form of percentages. Suppose a cake shop will offer a 25% discount on their 12-inch cake. If a 12-inch cake costs 1,600, how much is the discounted price? Let's first find 25% of 1,600. Then subtract it from the original price. Step 1. Find the discount amount. 25% of 1,600 is equal to 25% in its equivalent fraction is a quarter. So we'll multiply a quarter by 1,600 and that will give us 400 because 400 will give us 1,600, which is the whole. Step 2. Subtract the discount amount from the original price to get the discounted price. 1,600 subtract 400 gives us 1,200. Instead of paying 1,600 for a cake, the buyer only needs to pay 1,200. That's 400 cheaper than its original price. Summary. To get the discounted price, compute the discount amount and subtract it from the original price. So, what is the biggest discount you have ever availed? You can think of any service or item you have purchased with a discount. I hope you found this video very informative. I hope you're able to apply this concept when you're working out discounts in your mathematics class. Until next time, please remember to share with all your friends and also to subscribe to the channel so that I can put out much more informational content like this video.